1963 real SS Impala. Man, 327, 2-speed power glide, factory AC, straight out of a 70-year-old guy's garage. Kansas City car its whole life, never been a rusty one. The paint on here is old. This ain't new paint, but man, it looks beautiful. Runs beautiful. This one has the power top, so you just hit the switch and the top goes up and down. Show you this interior. Love this color combo. Look at this. I got to show this trunk in this video, and that's it. I got the trunk, y'all. Ridiculous nice.
What is that in the back, though?
What's that?
What's this?
Weather stripping. Oh, this is just an extra part. Oh, that's the CD changer that he installed. Really? There's a remote in the center console, so it's still got the old stereo, but you can also run your own personal music. But he kept it, you know, stock up front, and it still works, so it's original, you know, just to add on. Kept it all original. Yep. Beautiful, man. Yeah, he got that one in the trunk. Yep.
Where do you find the one just like that?
I know. Factory AC.
Leak somewhere.
Yeah. I see that.
Ain't nothing major though.
Regan, you want to put the top up for me so I can record it? I'll unsnap it. In it? In it? Not in it? You know, there's spare ones in the trunk, in that box. This has got the power top. Hey, 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 look at that. Freaking beautiful. 1963 all original true SS Impala. You can go to, we got financing, you know, on these classics. We take trades. You know, call or text me 913-944-0598. or you can just get pre-approved for financing on my website, fastandeasyauto.com, and it's in the description. Don't miss out on this one. If you're looking for something like this, this is a nice piece. Very nice.